Creativity happens at the speed of thought and your hardware should keep up with you. Hi, I'm Michael with Signa Computers. Are you an After Effects or Octane aficionado? Does your work require you to have a powerful PC that can keep up with your rendering needs? Well, search no more as we got a monster build for you. Today, we'll be
taking a look at our Octane Redshift Turbulence 3D Cinema4D rendering workstation.
If you're interested in any of our other units, then be sure to call or email us today so we can build you the machine of your dreams. If not, then have a visual treat looking at this beauty. The first thing that we have here is
a Dual Intel Xeon 10-core/20 thread CPU for a total of 20 cores and 40 threads. These cores turbo boost up to 3.1 GHz, which gives great computational power for just about any power-hungry application there is.
Integrating all these great components is an Asus
Dual Xeon Workstation motherboard. What's great about this motherboard is it supports an M.2 solid-state drive, USB 3.1, and up to a spacious terabyte. For all your 3D liquid, fire, and smoke simulations, this build has 128GB memory to support for your rendering needs in RealFlow, Turbulence, and more. For storage and boot drive, we've got a 1TB Samsung Evo 970 Pro M.2 solid-state drive, which is one of the fastest drives in the industry.
Containing all these parts, we have a fractal design-defined XL titanium gray full tower. You'll be wanting to utilize multiple GPUs for applications such as Octane, Redshift, Furryball RT, and more.
Providing all the GPU rendering power are the three NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti 11GB graphics cards.
For this particular client, they wanted 3 video cards plus an additional 2, bringing in the grand total at 18,000 Canadian dollars, including tax. In case you have any questions or issues, Signa Warranty has got you covered with a standard 1-year warranty that's upgradable to 3.
We've been building machines for design, CAD, rendering, and editing videos for 25+ years now, and they've just gotten faster, quieter, and less expensive with more storage and expandability as well. We've seen video move from 480p to 720p, then 1080p, and now up to 4K and 8K.
Are you looking for a new computer? If so, we'll build an Octane rendering workstation for you.
Please call us at 416-488-9208, email us at sales@signa.com, or chat on our website.
Call or email us today.